Hey YouTube, so I did some things. First of all, there's a sprout over there, so I got to do some things, as you can see. And second of all, I did this. I completed all my quests. So now I should be on my road to get that silver egg. I'm excited. Oh, I also got a new bee. Here, let me get them on there. Okay, here they are. Okay, I'm gonna feed you a strawberry. Cool. You're friends with my buddies. Alright, cool. Red request. Okay, black bear. Well, let me guess, you're gonna give me white or blue next. Oh, I got 600. Pollen from blue flowers. Okay, it's a blue quest. 1K? Okay, that's a bit. Oh snap. No, so close. Oh, I got a hunt. I got a cake. 1K honey. Cool, let's go. Oh, let's go. A sunflower seed. Search for a sunflower seed. Oh, there's one. Yes, I got it. Okay, feed 10 treats to your bees. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah, I remember. I was watching a video earlier, and there's this video. Oh, it's still there. Let's go. Yes. Okay, cool. You see what I was doing though, right? I got 2 tickets, 3. Ooh. Okay. Feed a sunflower bee to. Feed one sunflower bee. Okay. To a bee. No, yes, please. And then I will do this. Oh, I got a rare. A rad bee. Okay. That's awesome. Alright, let's see if we can go get a new. Yes. May I get a new tool? Yes, I can. Can I get a new backpack? 5K? No, I cannot. Wait. Whoa, those are expensive. 7 mechanics, 7 prompt. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Whoa, there's a bear up there. There's a bear, there's so much. Whoa. What is that? I'm not gonna look at it though. I made 10K honey. Let's go. Okay. 1K blue pollen. 5 bees? Whoa. I knew I saw something over here. Oh, there's a new bear there. Is that bamboo? Oh, cool. Bees! Defend! Oh, I tried dodging. Let's go. It dropped a blueberry. Let's go. It doubles my... It doubles it. Oh, it's sick. Oh, let's go. What's that? Oh, that's a ticket. Don't mind if I do. 3 tickets? Oh, that's awesome. Oh, don't mind me. Okay. Let's go back to our hive. See if we can get a... Wait, how much is a new bee? Because I want to get one more. Oh, there's a little... It's 4K. 425. Okay. Mondo trick. It's a Mondo chick. Oh, whoa. What was that lag spike there? I can't go there. I don't think I'm leveled high enough. Oh, a vicious bee though. Sick. I want to fight him. 5k, forgot. Alright, let's go back to getting 1k. I think we can take a shortcut. Wait, can I? No, I'm one off. Oh, I have no plans for doing that. Well, that's the cactus field. Okay. Oh, what did I see there? What did I see? I saw something over here. I knew I saw something. I'm not gonna trust it though. Oh, cool. I can get a blueberry over here. Oh, I got it! I got the blueberry! Yes! Feed 10 treats. I only have 3 currently. I can go buy some. I think the next quest is going to be for white pollen. I wonder what that is. Okay. Wait, I should probably... Oh, I got it! I got 2 of them. Alright. Nice job. Did you find any blueberries out there? Yes, I did. Fields with mostly blue flowers occasionally produce blueberries you feed. One more quest. Awesome. 1k honey? Oh, 1k blue flower clover field. Oh, congrats. Cool. There you go. Bees go ham. Whoa, this is cool. Oh, the little levels show up on their wings. I like that. It's really unique. Oh yeah, I forgot. I need 500. I guess we can go to the clover field. Oh yeah, that's the place where I almost died. Over there. Yeah. Last episode I went over here just to do stuff and I kinda almost died. I can get a treat. Oh man. I didn't get it, but it's fine. Because I can do this. Ah! Ow. Owie. Kill him. Come on, Basic Bee. Got this. Good job. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go. Go over here and get more honey. Okay. Yes. I'm liking this game. It's really fun so far. Like how they go like whee. Right, I have enough to cook in a new bee, or not bee. Well, I do actually, but I'm not going after that. I'm here for this. 3k. I can hold all of these. Whoa. Hey, they're in the quadrillions. Right. Well, I'm gonna do some off-camera grinding, so thank you for watching, and goodbye!